Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hello, hello, hello. Once again, Sabi here. Okay, it's a Forest Queen is here. I'm so excited while making this video today because this video has actually been helping. This video is helping so many people. Okay, your video le धेरै मान्छेलाई help गरेको छ. I'm not going to make this video very long, very small, short and sweet video. So before each trade, I think I have got so many messages. Thank you so much, guys, for so much love, and thank you, YouTube, for recommending my videos to watch to most of the viewers who are looking to educate themselves in this financial market. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. So in this particular video, what you are going to learn, you have to watch till the end because this video is going to change your life. I also have got so many messages regarding to make a very basic videos about how to open the live account, demo account, and then how to deposit the money, how to withdraw the money in Nepal. I'm going to make those videos as well. I have my big team in Nepal who are working in that particular section. I will connect with them. You guys can directly get help from them. Okay, it's pretty easy. Most of the students are making huge amount of money, staying in their comfort zone. They are a professional trader now back home in Nepal. Okay, my home in Nepal. So namaste, Feribada. I'm making this video both languages so that you guys can get some value out of it as well. सबैभन्दा पहिला मैले के गर्न चाहन्छु भने ट्रेडिङ लिन भन्दा पहिला हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ त यो चाहिँ की पोइन्ट्सहरु हो है यो चाहिँ एकदम याद गर्नु होला तपाईहरुले लेख्नु पर्यो यु हैव टु मेक अ जर्नल गाइस यु हैव टु हैव अ जर्नल व्हाट विल बी द प्रॉन भनेको फाइदा र बेफाइदा यो ट्रेड लियो भने मलाई के फाइदा हुन्छ र यो ट्रेड लिएन भने या छोड्यो भने मलाई के बेफाइदा हुन्छ ओके फाइदा एडभान्टेज एन्ड डिसएडभान्टेज अफ अ ट्रेड you have to write it down. Think as if you were taking the same trade except in the opposite direction. Suppose तपाईले एउटा ट्रेड लिदै हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ अपोजिट डाइरेक्सन गयो भने के हुन्छ त तपाईलाई थाहा छ मोस्ट अफ द ट्रेडर जोलाई धेरै आइडिया नै छैन उहाँहरुले अपोजिट डाइरेक्सनको ट्रेडलाई लिएर पनि उहाँले झन् धेरै पैसा पनि कमाइराख्नु भएको छ लाइक हाउ मच रिस्क यु टेक आई एम नट टेलिङ यु टु टेक रिस्क to make money. No, because education is more powerful, guys. That's why educate yourself which trade are good for you to take. Is the highest probability trade. That's what I'm here for. What confluence factors would you have when you are taking the trade? Suppose if you are taking the trade which is going to the opposite direction. This allows you to see the same trade from the opposite direction or opposite perspective. Okay, suppose we'll come there. Okay, we'll come there. Always look at where price is coming from. Because which price is coming from means suppose market is trending uptrend. Okay, market is uptrending, but you want to take a shot at that uptrending market. It is possible you can scalp because market will always come back to correct the retrace, whatever you say, retrace. Okay. करेक्ट मार्केट चाहिँ तल पनि आउँछ माथि पनि जान्छ तर कतिखेर तल आउँछ त कुन चाहिँ पोजिसनमा मार्केट छ सपोर्ट मैले यो सपोर्ट र रेजिस्टेन्सको हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी ट्रेड्स पनि मैले तपाईहरुलाई सिकाउने वाला छु अपकमिङ भिडियोज अबाउट दैट मोस्ट 3 भिडियोज आर कमिङ अबाउट रेजिस्टेन्स एन्ड सपोर्ट मीन्स कसरी तपाईलाई सपोर्ट जोनमा बसेर र रेजिस्टेन्समा बसेर खाली हाईएस्ट प्रोबेबिलिटी ट्रेड मात्र लिएर कसरी पैसा कमाउन सक्नुहुन्छ तर एउटा कुरा एकदमै अनेस्टली मैले के भन्न चाहन्छु भने if you are here to make only money you cannot sustain in this industry for long because your intention is only to make money but if you are growing yourself while you are making money I mean and you're also helping other people and you're educating yourself okay then this is the industry for you always look. That's what I say. If market is uptrending, you're trying to take the in a short, it is possible, but make sure that how much risk you are taking because market will definitely go to each direction, right? You cannot, can you stop the river? Which direction it is flowing? No, you can't, right? Same thing. You cannot stop the river if it's growing, it's flowing. River will always go in its direction. The best trade are the ones that are obvious to you. Means in the first point, like say, okay, this is my trade. I was looking for this trade. Every, like you have 99% of like all these indicators, and then even the support, resistance, and trend, everything is matching according to your regulation rules, because you have to have a rule in trading as well. I think there was a video I just provided before. Don't listen too slowly, guys, because I'm speaking fast. I love to speak fast. Hopefully you are enjoying it. So here, the best trades are those that are obvious to you. What do you mean by that is, like, you can jump onto the trade, you think, okay, this is resistance. Now the market will not go. But sometimes what happens is market will not do what you are thinking it will do. Okay. Sometimes we think too much. Sometimes we do repeated mistake as well. We guess too much. The trade is actually like the people who take a risk quickly and decide quickly, they make more money here than who are thinking and thinking and thinking. Again, you don't have to do that. So the key points before you enter a trade are: be very careful going against a very strong trend, as price often just breaks right through. So we need more confirmation. What are those confirmation, guys? Always start with the big picture. Okay, big picture means, I'll just a little bit of picture here. Take a step. What you're going to do, take a step back and look at the bigger picture to create, bias. Bias means, in one term, that like what could happen if you really take this trade. Okay, what is the market doing? Is price trending up or trending down? Is it moving sideways? Has price just made a trend change? Are we approaching an areas of support or resistance again? So your market will actually do some, there will be some consideration, or market can just stay there, or maybe make a very quick different opposite movement, which is a reversal pattern, can start from this kind of points. Okay, highest confidence point. So start from the monthly and go down to get a good perspective of what is going on it on a big frame, a large frame. Okay, bigger picture. Always check. I'm going to show you in a market, real market. Okay, and here if you see, what you can see is, better if there is loss of momentum on the higher time frames, or the candles rejecting the areas or wicks, or the first red or green candle. If you see a massive candle, be careful, because massive candle means the very big candles are there, means that there is something happening in the big candle. It could be green or red. Okay, so always write down the prompts. So this is just, we already started, and this is what it is. You have to have a guidelines, guys. Remember to use this checklist as guidelines. This is, I'm going to be a little bit faster. If you want to take a screenshot, take a screenshot, use it in your where you want to take it to the next level. Okay, you can go to the next level if you follow these instructions. So first thing first, monthly time frame. You all have to check monthly time frame. Secondly, what you're going to do in monthly time frame as well, you check the loss of momentum, because when the candles are losing the momentum, it's more the wicks are coming, then what is happening is some change of reversal pattern is happening. Okay, it is not disqualifying the trade, is working off just the weekly and daily is enough for good quality trade. But if we also have monthly price action and are at monthly level, then the trade quality goes up even more. Do you know what I mean? People are making in 15 minutes time frame as well, guys. People are making money in 15 minutes time frame as well. What is this mean is, you can make money, but you want to lose less than make money. Okay, that's a bigger picture is better than the smaller picture. So weekly time frame also the same. Is the level obvious? How many rejection of this level? Was it recently rejected or respected? Rejected or respected? See, respected means, suppose you use the Fibonacci and it is respected, again, probably 50 zone or 61 zone, then it's good. Has it acted as both support or resistance? Okay, is it an extreme swing high or swing lows, meaning at the highest or lowest point price has reached in recent time? Evidently, you don't need all of this, but actually more the better. Okay, more the better. You don't get everything. Don't get everything when you're watching the market, looking at the market, the chart. sometimes your heartbeat goes like, ooh, come on, I missed that trade. How many times did it happen to you guys? Who is related? Tell me. Give those information in the comment, guys. I'm excited to know your trading journey, because I believe after 6 months you will be independent trader. Okay, is there any kind of weekly price action? What is price action? I already created one video on that. I'm going to make another 3 videos about price action, but those videos will be mostly like we'll go and see kill the the live market at the same time. Okay, so long wick candles, multiple rejection, momentum loss, patterns. Please take this note very, very carefully. Take this one. Okay, momentum loss, very, very important, because when what happens when the wicks are longer, whichever areas, sometimes it's in the upward direction or down direction, it is multiple, it's directing the market, momentum is losing, there's some pattern forming, and it is in 50 EMA, then what is that? This is kind of weekly. This is called price action, guys. That is a price action. Okay, daily time frame, we need to also look at the daily time frame if you want to still be confirmed that what the market is doing, because it has to be respected. Was it recently respected? Has it acted as a both support and resistance? These are the most important point, that before you're running into the trading, whatever the MetaTrader 4 you are going to trade in MetaTrader 4, what is going to happen is, do we have time frame confluence, meaning at a weekly and the daily level? Do we have it? Is it level obvious? Do you think like, oh yeah, it is obvious, like if I take trade from here, the market at least will hit 50 pips, boom, and maybe market will correct, do some correction. How many rejection of this level? Make sure you are aware of that. Okay, same thing in daily, monthly, or weekly. Even you can check 4 hours candle, 15 minutes candle, 1 hour candle. I already told you, people are still making in 5 minutes candlestick, all by scalping. Okay, so long wick candles, multiple rejection, momentum loss, pattern 50 EMA. This is the price action. Okay, once again, are you getting what I'm trying to say? Is if we have daily price action only plus at a level, key level means those are the support and resistance level, we will need the 4th to confirm the daily price action. Okay, and remember it, if you have weekly price action as well, then the trade is higher quality. I can't emphasize enough, guys. But if you only working off the daily and 4th, 4 hour confirmation, then it is low quality. That is why you have to go bigger picture. Like vision is so important. Why we say that? Oh, we must have vision. We must have mission. Not only for the day, month, or year, maybe next 20 years, 10 years, 5 years. Why? Because bigger picture actually help you to push you harder a little bit further. Okay, intraday time, it is you can say it start from 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours, 1 hour, and 15 minutes as well. As I said, up to you which time frame you want to go through, up to you. Here, high quality pivot entries. That's what we use, multi time frame and from the top down, meaning if you also have time frame confluence through the weekly and the daily, then this makes it a mix between a swing and also through a pivot. Okay, this is very, very important topic that I will talk probably in the next video, but what is the time now? So because we also need to make sure that time is also bounded. So aggressive pivot entries are sometimes you still can do, but be very careful. Using only the daily and 4 hour candle as guidelines and as a directional bias, then we take the entry off the 1 hour time frame and confirm it through the 5 minutes. Still, look, you have to sometimes look at the 1 minute candlestick as well, really which direction market is going. There's no any rush to enter the market, but before you enter the market, make sure you are confirmed that yes, this is an obvious trade. Okay, there are some psychology behind trading. So I have one video already mentioned in previous, I believe, quite a while ago. You have to master your mind if you want to become a trader. Are you becoming a trader? Are you really, really becoming a trader? I'm asking you a question, okay? So think about it. Do you really have passion to become a trader? Because if you are here only for short term, just to make some money and just go away, I don't know whether you will sustain in this industry or not. But if you have a passion, how these big people, the money makers, the giants are making and earning money from someone else's money, then this can be for you, okay? Because master your mind by just understanding that this is a skill. This is a reflection of yourself. You have to be able to conquer your mind as well as master the skills in order to become a successful trader. You need both halves. You need it, guys. Okay. You cannot just master your mind, but you don't have skills. You have to have a skill, also master your mind. Okay. Means that you have to have conscious and subconscious, both mind working towards the same goal. Habit, make a habit. All traders make some money and they lose some money. They also take some losses. That's okay. That is totally fine. Why is that? Remember, the good trades can lose as well sometimes. The bad trades can win as well. See? But in the bigger picture, you will win those good trades more often than you lose them, which makes you profitable. Hopefully it's making sense. Okay. You cannot take a loss as a good trade. Then next time the same good trade comes along and you get scared, believing the same thing will happen again, and you skip it. Means that sometimes you have to take every trade to make money. Otherwise, you lost 3 trades and the 4th trade can be the winner, but you didn't take the 4th trade. Why? Because you thought that 4th trade also will be going to the negative direction. Okay, hopefully that is making sense. How many of you have gone through that? You maybe made some mistakes, you lost the money, and now you're scared of putting your money in the market. Why? Because you don't trust yourself. Trust your guts, guys. Okay, it is possible, but calculated risks. I'm going to make another video about risk management. Very, very important point. If your risk reward model is very tight, right? Losses don't matter as all the traders make some losses. So they take some losses. It is a part of the game. It's part of the game, guys. Most important thing is a patience. Do you have some patience? Have some patience, guys. Take a long breath. I will make another video about the traders affirmation. Before you trade, you have to listen to those videos at least 21 days, or maybe keep listening those videos for 21 days, and you will be conquering the market. Believe me or not, it has helped so many of my students, and whatever I told them, they have been doing it and it's helping them. Exiting early because of fear, that is very, very bad. Okay, so we will discuss this in the next videos again. I think my students are waiting for more live sessions to happen, but before making that live session, I thought that I would quickly make this video for you guys. Always make sure that you're relaxed before taking trades, guys. Relax. No resistance in anything. Relax. Okay, and if you have done your analysis, suppose you have done all the analysis, you have your indicators working for you, you have your own action, price action working for you, support and resistance, trend, everything done, and your Fibonacci helped, your stop loss and target as well, it also matters. Let the trade play out. If your risk reward model is airtight, means it's already have discussed that, but you have to be patient on your own skill, guys. Sometimes even though you think that okay, market will not hit this TP, you have way far away from the support or resistance, but still market will touch the stop loss. It happens. That's why we take some losses as well, okay, as a trader. So once you start believing that because you think something will happen, that will happen, the market will humble you every fast with a big loss or a series of losses. Be impartial and always look at the bigger picture without personal bias. I mean, it's personal feeling. Look at the bigger picture, guys. Okay, now don't demo trade for too long. Remember, I don't know how many of you are taking trades, and I mean for long, especially in the demo trade. And demo is like it's a demo dummy money, right? So when you take a lot of trades in demo accounts, what happens is probably you might tell you to, I mean, I was told the same thing, take a trade in demo account for 1 week and then start your real money. I have done that. I made someone's money in the beginning. I think why? Because I didn't know how to make a trading plan for myself. I was following someone else's trading plan. Are you doing the same thing? If you want to do that, you can continue to do that. If you're losing money, you're happy, keep doing it. But if you are losing money, you're not happy, you want to earn money, have to have trading plan, guys. I cannot emphasize enough, you have to have trading plan. Okay, so have trading plan, and look, there is possibility that you can win the market, not 100% all the time. Your accuracy can be 75 to 80%, which is 8, sometimes 85. Okay, it will take some time to understand this. It will take some time to understand this. Okay, emotions and feelings might be great in other areas of life, but they have no place in trading. Don't bring your emotions, don't bring your feelings. Oh, I feel so good, I feel so bad. No, it doesn't work like that here. Taking a win, taking a loss, taking a loss. How many losses you are taking in one day? Or like, that's why, look, I have another one. I'll go live with you in YouTube saying that how many trade I take in a week and how much money I'm making while I'm helping other to make money as well. Okay, and moving to a live account is good. This is why we stay to not stay on a demo account for too long. This is like a contrary. Why? Because the psychological and emotional hurdle is the greatest battle all traders face as you have dig deep into yourself and reflect on why you keep making the same mistakes over and over again based on your psychological conceptualization. Oh my God. It's all a psychology. Strong, you have to be strong. Okay, mentally you have to be prepared for the market, because market will not do what you expect to do. This is uncomfortable for many people. That's why they give up so early. Okay, do you want to give up early? Up to you. Do it. Yes, you should trade on demo for a few months until you are comfortable and in control of your good trades entry. Means that you, until you realize that which strategy works best for you, what type of trader you are. Suppose you are intraday, swing trader, scalper, day trader, doesn't really matter. You will understand. At least only risk 1 to 2% of your whole account and take a small losses. I mean, $1 per trade starting out. Some people, I mean, they blow their account. How many of you have blown your account? Show of hand, and then please write in a comment below. Have you? It has happened to me as well. I don't want to lie. It has happened even after many months that I started trading. I was so overconfident that I didn't even put the stop loss, guys. Okay. And what happened? NASDAQ took all the money. It happened. But now, don't leave the money in the table. That's what I say to my people. Don't leave the money in the table. Why do you have to leave money in the table? If you made some money, get out of the market. Let them make money. You, enough for you. That's enough for you. Okay, as long as you understood, you got the pips for the day. That's done. And now makes the journal. You have to take a screenshot of the chart and maybe why did you take that trade. That will help you to understand, or maybe even help you to realize that mistakes not to repeat again and again. Okay, and the practice and practice and practice. Apply, guys. Good, you are becoming good, guys, every single time you're making a mistake. Okay, and always look at the chart and feel from deep heart how many confirmation was there before you took the trade. Okay, that was it, guys. I do not want to take that much time, and I love you all, and thank you for helping me love this channel, because this channel is created only for those who wants to understand this financial market. This is just the beginning, guys. There is so much to learn, there is so much to do together, and I have many students are reaching out to me. They want to do face-to-face and one-on-one as well. I have one-on-one class available for you guys as well. There is not much fees applicable. I'm trying to give away, not for free, but very small charge is applicable. Anyone can afford, as long as you are happy with the education. This is education. Okay, this is completely education, and I'm here to change many people's life. And I also was told that, okay, have you changed your life? I have changed my life, guys. Yes, if you are able to live your legacy just by traveling the world, making money, you have a lifestyle of laptop, you don't have to rely on someone else roster. Okay, you don't have to wait for the holidays to go, come to spend your family or take your family to the vacation. This is called lifestyle. Up to you, whether you believe in yourself or not, but everything is possible if you believe it. If you believe it, everything is possible. And I want you to stay consistent. I want you to stay consistent in the trade. Do not take too many trades, guys. Just take trades at least 2 to 3% risk. Only the highest probability trade, highest, most probability trade to be taken, not to lose any money from your market. Having said that, I love you so much, guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much for your. I would like to show my deepest gratitude. सबैलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद. यति धेरै माया गर्ने भएकोमा अनि मैले अझै धेरै भिडियोहरू लिएर आउँछु तपाईहरुको सामु. मैले यो च्यानललाई अझै राम्रो बनाउने कोसिस गर्छु. मलाई केही सल्लाह सुझावहरू दिन चाहनुहुन्छ भने मलाई लेख्नु, डाइरेक्टली कमेन्टमा लेख्नु होला. Feedback is always welcome. And looking forward to hearing from you and looking forward to see your account grows. Okay, grow. And I know it is growing. I know it is growing. Okay, and यो भिडियो हेरिसकेपछि हजुरले के कुराहरू राम्रो गर्नुभयो मलाई भनेर मलाई केमा मलाई एक्चुअली भन्नु चाहिँ होला. त्यो भन्दै म के गर्छु भने यो भिडियोलाई मैले यही टुङ्ग्याउँछु. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel and click that bell button, and I will come with the new video, guys. Have a good weekend, guys. Take